Hello and welcome to Football Collectibles. Today we've been in local store to get few more packs of Top Class 2025 and unexpectedly we found this new collection for new tournament. It's Club World Cup 2025 that will be played in summer. So we decided to get the album, few packs, and let's review this new collection together. So let's start from album. What's the first what I want to say about this collection? It's really small. If you can see, it's really small stickers in this collection. Small frames and stickers like this. It's really small, especially after cards. So here you can see description what is on the sticker. It will be nationality, team country, date of birth and position on the field. Here we can see what groups are on the tournament. Also, it's interesting, guys, provide in comments what do you think, what the group is the weakest and what is the strongest, because we think that group F is the weakest, this one, and group B is the strongest. So share your opinion in comments, subscribe to the channel, it's very important for us, and let's continue. On the next page we can see it's info about stadiums where games will be played. The tournament will be played in America, in USA. Here we can see the schedule. So first game of tournament will be played on 14 June. It's Al Ahly and Inter Miami. And the last one will be played on July 13. So almost 1 month tournament will be played. Here's team page, how it looks like. It's very simple. Here we can see the stickers of players. Here will be the badge of the club and free special sticker for every team. So nothing unexpected for this collection. It will be only one unexpected and I will show it later. One interesting thing about this collection, it's American teams. Here you can see, I assume it's problem with image rights for American team Inter Miami and Seattle. As you can see, player stickers are absent, it's only information about them and free special stickers only, because for Seattle we can see the similar situation here. It's only info without stickers. Also there is the promo from Panini. I assume people can win tickets for World Cup, FIFA World Cup 26 or FIFA Club World Cup 25. You can scan here QR code, sign up in application, and probably you have a chance to win the tickets. So nothing special except the middle of this album. You can see that in the middle we have My Dream Team page. It's page for doubles of your collection. Yeah, you can see there that use your doubles here and create your dream team. So interesting, because it will be different for everyone. So interesting to stay later and discuss what team you collected as best team. So I assume we can skip all these teams because they are similar. It's the end of the album. Stickers here, and I assume let's start to open the packs and see how stickers looks like, especially rare stickers. So yeah, this is album. As I said, it's really small as a sticker. So let's open packs. Daniel, let's start. Interesting tournament, but really hard to play for players because every year they have more games to play. It's really hard, and I understood that some of them tell that it's really annoying to play so much count of games and nobody care about their health. But tournament will be interesting. Okay. Special one. Who is it? It's the emblem of Salzburg. I mean emblem, it's type of sticker. Here you can see it's nothing special. Quality as usual. Stickers little are small, so I will later put them to the album and we'll see how they will be there, because some of latest collection with stickers, they have very bad stickers that are not get to the album very good. Okay, Daniel. Kimi. Yeah, you know, all my childhood I was collected stickers because there was no cards, and I think that it's really cool. But when I get familiar with cards collection, I change my mind. Now I really don't like sticker collection. Daniel has 3 stickers here. And now I collected to my own collection only cards. I now bought this stickers collection only for you guys, to get you review it with us. Vitinha, cool. Interesting. You can see they have t-shirts without any emblems, any logos or anything. Interesting. Emblem and 2 emblems in one pack.
Carvajal
and other player. You can see who is it. Daniel, open the next box. It was Iron goalkeeper. I will prepare the next box. Bendias.
and
Take them then. So last 5. What team you will be glorying, guys, on this World Cup? I will be glory for Bayern, and you, Daniel?
Real.
Real. Okay. Oh, Kimmich, good. I hope Bayern will win one more title this year. I assume Bundesliga title is already done. And hope Club World Cup will be there also. Yeah, no block. good goalkeeper. Very good. Hernandez. A lot of unknown players, especially from Asia teams. Ocean. Armani. Armani is known goalkeeper of River Plate. He's really old and he's playing all time for this club, if I remember correct. Two special stickers in one pack. One more time. Boca Junior, the chosen one, and Inter. The crowd here. Hero.
The crowd hero.
Yep. Fallen sticker. Here's the mark and how the special sticker looks. It's the last one, Daniel?
Yes.
Okay, last pack, guys. Again, the mark about usual sticker. Emblem. Okay, that's all, guys. I hope you like it, or not, because I not really like this collection, honestly.
I like.
You like? Okay, you will collect them, not me. Okay, thanks guys for watching us. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if you not yet, and see you in next videos. Bye.
Bye.